Hi Aquarius, how you guys doing? I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you wish to enroll for one-on-one session with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so this time it's different reading. Okay, so I've already recorded it, but again, because due to some issues, I have to record it again. Okay, so in the month of January for Aquarius, a lot of sadness and sorrows are there. There's something, a wish fulfillment is not happening or it's not coming true. Okay, and that's why you feel stuck, sad, and disappointed. Okay, Aquarius, you need to let go of some things into your life. I think you know about it, what I'm talking about. Okay, you need to go certain person, certain relationship, or certain lifestyle, okay, into your life. You need to let go and you need to move on. Okay, if you are thinking to shift, if you are thinking to relocate, if you are thinking to travel somewhere, you should. Okay, you are just going with the flow in the month of January. You are just going with the flow. 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 Okay, you are going through some major spiritual awakening. 100%. I think it's already started 2 months back, and now you are just understanding a lot of things about it. Spiritual awakening. You feel exhausted when it comes to a certain situation. Okay, you feel stagnant or stuck or exhausted. Okay, and because your wish fulfillment is not coming true, that's why Aquarius. Okay, so let's check it out. What's the theme for the month of January 2021? Okay, okay, let's check it out. Okay, you want to take a risk towards someone or something. Okay, it might be career, it might be relationship, but there's that stagnancy is being blocked. There's a stagnant energy, there's a stuck energy. You will be unable to move on in the month of January. You won't be able to move on. Okay, you won't be able to take risk, you won't be able to take a leap of faith in the month of January. Okay, towards a new beginning, you want to take it, and on an energetic level you will, but not at least in the month of January. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. What comes under actions and opinions? Actions and opinions. Okay, two people are in separation. I don't know from how long, but someone wants to take an action towards something. It might be you or it might be your partner. Okay, it can be either one, but someone wants to make things right, someone thinks to reconcile, but the action has been blocked. No one is taking action. Both of you are just sitting together but not taking action towards reconciliation or reunion. Okay, these people might be married and separated, or in the relationship but separated. Okay, so yeah, it's a spiritual connection, and yeah, reconciliation has been blocked. No one is, neither you nor your partner is taking action towards making this stuff or this problem right. Okay, so yeah, what comes under conversations and communication? Okay, less or no communication. Aquarius, you are in less or no communication. You are thinking to release this person out of your life and you are thinking to move on. You're not thinking about it. You're not thinking about the past. You're ready to move on. You're thinking not to put in any effort, and you just want to move on. It's like that. Okay. Let's check it out. Love and romance. Love and romance. Okay, so I think either you or your partner left someone out. Okay, due to the third party situation. Now the third party can be in-laws, parents, neighbors, friends, or the third lover. Okay, so I think, in your love relationship, the scenario is that there was a third party interference into your life, and that's why you left that this person out in the cold and you moved on. Okay, yeah, you left that person and you moved on. Okay, yeah. And I think third party might be from your side, or third party can be from your partner's side. Either way it can be, but yeah, there was a third party interference into a relationship or your love life, and that's why you left the past behind and moved on. Okay, or you just moved forward as a, or you're just thinking to move on. Okay, it can be like that. So yeah, you're moving on, leaving the past behind, and you're moving on in the month of January. It can be like that. Okay, I think, I'm just reading some sort of a script or a movie title or the story of a movie. Okay, it seems like that. Okay, let's check it out what comes under money and finance. Money and finance. I'm just picking. Money and finance, someone is trying to use you, money related stuff. You might be dealing with a karmic connection or a karmic partner, guys. Okay, be careful about it. If there is some issues going on into your materialistic world or financial life, you might be dealing with a karmic connection. Okay, because whenever your finances are blocked, that means that and if your financial life is not going on good, that means that you are dealing with a karmic connection or a karmic partner. So there is someone into your financial life or money related thing. There is some sneaky energy, manipulative energy, or there is someone who is trying to use you in materialistic world. Okay, money related thing. Okay, and there is a waiting game going on. You are waiting for some sort of money to be recovered in the month of January, and you feel disappointed because that money is not coming towards you. That money is not getting recovered. Okay, so you feel disappointed and stuck and sad and worried that when that money will come back to you. Okay, because a lot of waiting game is going on when it comes to money related thing. You are waiting for some sort of money to be recovered, which is not getting recovered. So that's why you feel disappointed, right? So yeah, that's okay. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One advice for you, Aquarius, is that you have to be careful about this sneaky manipulative energy who is working into your ambience, or who is working, or who is taking care of your finances or materialistic world. Be careful about it, because there is some sneaky or manipulative energy around you. Okay, and there is money which is not getting recovered, so you need to be careful about this person. Okay, in the month of January. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Comment down below. Bye bye, take care.